best badass.
Hello, this is Steve.
Long ago, so long ago, don't know how long ago, there existed our very own sun. Around it revolved Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Planet picture presents. In association with 21st century dogs. Presents to you Jingalala range of products. Once upon a time, deep inside Amazon jungle, our Macha brings a statue of Lord Shiva and a snake, Abus, and starts performing puja. Om Ganayana, Om Bhagavanaya, Om Namaha. Macha, what are you doing, Macha? Performing Maha Yajna. But why? To create Jingalala range of products. Om Ganayana, Om Ganayana, Om Ganayana, Om Ganayana. Outcome में lollipop, energy drink, sauna belt, lie detector and shoes. Jingalala products redefining evolution. Now just sit back, relax and enjoy. One day our machas in Portland downtown. Macha, mine is small and black. Oh, mine is large and brown. Oh, mine is medium and it's white. Hey, mine is extra large and full red. Audience, please note, there is no vulgarity in our maddox. If there is any vulgarity, it's in your minds. Hey, you say no vulgarity, but what is this small, long, medium, black, brown, white, red? T-shirt. We were talking about our new product, Jingalala shoes, now available in all sizes and colors. Presenting to you the wonders of the world. Taj Mahal, the leaning tower of Pisa, the hanging gardens of Babylon. What is this boring information? Show something exciting, Macha. Okay, location shift. Presenting to you the battle of Mahabharata. The result of this war, the Pandavas won. The battle of Panipat. Yeah, ting tong, the result of this war, the Mughals won. World War II. Sweet tapak. The result of this war, the US won. Next, PSU College War. Hey, look at him, he's touching my girl. Hit him. Hey, Michael. Hey. Why are you guys fighting? Take this. Thank you. Friends, chinkitakun. The result of this war, draw. What did you give them, da? I gave them Jingalala milkshake. Ula la 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 leo, ila ke pilo, ula la la la. Divided by girl, united by Jingalala. Hey baby, why are you crying? There is a big fight going on at home. I don't know what to do. Don't cry. Let me talk to someone. Who is your father? Disha. Dubara mat poochna. The fight is going on to find out that only. One day, our machas in electronics lab working very hard on Jingalala lie detector project. They put ammeter, voltmeter, diameter, potmeter, centimeter, nanometer, biometer, odometer, diameter, hectometer, and thermometer. Shit. I think this product is ready. Go call our professor. Okay. Sir, our project is ready, sir. Oh, wow. Come this side. Let me see. Where is the switch? Here, sir. Sick. Turn off, sir. Are you okay? 1 minute, sir. Wrong connection. Tichka. Now it's ready, sir. Okay, let me try this at home. Professor takes the lie detector to his home. Enter son. Hey, where were you? I was in temple. Tichka. Tell the truth. I was in movie. Which movie? Ma Durga Shakti. Tichka. Tell the truth. I went to Shakila movie. Hey, where are you? Look at your son. Totally spoiled.
Why do you keep on saying that he's my son? My son is also your son.
Tichka. Jingalala lie detector revealing family mysteries. US White House, big. Eiffel Tower, Paris, very big. Hotel Burj Khalifa, Dubai, very, very big. Now enters brand ambassador of Jingalala products. Ting, ting, ting. Bollywood sensation Sunny Leon. Yeah, Dishka. We all know what is big. Jingalala products making everything look small. Bada hai to behtar hai. Now let us take you to football match between Jingalala boys and Ulala boys. Our Jingalala Ronaldo is ready for a free kick. Defenders and goalkeeper get ready. This is a tense situation. Let's see what happens. Jingalala Ronaldo goes to kick the ball and it's a goal. Our macha celebrates. How can it be? Let us rewind. Now let us see in slow motion. Our Jingalala Ronaldo goes to the ball. Oh wait, he takes out Jingalala lollipop and throws it. Defenders and goalie go for it and our macha scores a goal. Shakira enters. Waka waka eh, waka waka eh. Dishka, repeat, dishka, repeat, dishka. Shakira, take this Jingalala lollipop. No waka waka, only laka 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 laka. Dishka. Wow, what a lovely app, sir. How was it possible? Jingalala Sonabed, now with apps tuning technology. Used for 3 months, you'll notice the difference. Ask. Wow, what a well-toned thighs, sir. How is this possible? Jingalala Sonabed, now with thundering thighs technology. Wear it in low edge for 2 months, you'll notice the difference. Ask. Sir, is this chest or beep? Jingalala Sonabed, wear it only in appropriate places. मतलब जहाँ पे लगाना वहीं पे लगाओ. One day in PSU classroom, Professor Binary Pandu is teaching. Why Binary Pandu? Because I can teach 2 levels. One low level, another still low level. Hey, by the way, why are you late? Sir, मैं राधा के घर गया था. किस लिए? हाँ sir, बहुत सारे किस लिए? Suddenly, student comes late. Hey, why are you late? I was on top of Chamundi. Okay, come in. Another student comes late. Hey, why were you late? I was also on top of Chamundi. Okay, come in. After a few minutes, a beautiful girl enters. Were you also on top of Chamundi? No, I'm only Chamundi. Jingalala products, जोर का झटका धीरे से लगा. One day in government hospital in Portland, Guldu Sinha with his 6 months pregnant wife Kamakshi.
It's paining too much. I can't control.
Please wait for a few minutes. Doctor will come soon. Enter doctor. Doctor, when will baby come out? Now it's 6 months. It will come out in 3 months.
Ayyo, I can't control. Ayyo.
Okay, relax. Put her on the bed. Doctor takes out Jingalala energy drink and gives it to mother. Okay, please try now. Push. Baby comes out. Doctor, such a big baby, so fast. Teacher, Jingalala energy drink. My mommy strongest. Now let us take you to call center of Jingalala group. Ting ting ting. For assistance in English, press 1. Telugulo ವಿನಕ್ಕೆ 2 ನೊಕ್ಕಂದಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ 3 ಅದುಮಿ.
हिंदी में जानकारी के लिए 4 दबाइए.
What a voice. मुझसे शादी करोगी?
Of course, darling.
At first night, hey Bulbul, can I see your face?
To know more about me, CD लगाइए. To know more about my family, 1 दबाइए. मेरे previous boyfriends के बारे में जानने के लिए 2 दबाइए. हेल्पलाइन के लिए 3 दबाइए.
कुछ करने के लिए क्या दबाऊं?
कुछ करने के लिए 4 दबाइए.
मैं तुम्हारी आवाज से प्यार किया था, तुम्हारे प्रोफेशन से नहीं. जाओ, मैं तुमको तलाक दे दूंगा. तलाक.
मुझसे शादी करने के लिए धन्यवाद. गुड बाय.
जिंगलाला कॉल सेंटर. कॉल कीजिए और दबा के मजे लीजिए. सानिया jumpa chicken. Sania jumpa chicken. Indian tennis sensation Sania Mirza. Tuk goes to Indian Open, then goes to Wimbledon Open, then she goes to Australian Open, finally goes to US, there also Open. Sania ji, what is your advice for PSU students? My dear PSU students, please don't cover entire syllabus. Cover only the important portions. Thank you, Sanskriti. This is Guru. This is Anand. This is Tilak. This is Asha, Deepak, Rohan, and Deepak. Thank you for watching Crazy Boys.